this video, I am going to show you how to avail your credits in Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcome you all on this channel of Career Edge. Firstly, you need to go through your spam mails because in majority cases, Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program mail comes in spam folder, and when you go through that, you just label it for importance, and after that you got this mail in inbox, and when you go through that mail, you find here you can see Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, your name, and there is a link and also an access code which you need to copy and go through the above link where it is written go to, and there is a link. When you tap on that link, you go through your browser where Qwiklabs platforms website is already opened, and here you need to put your access form, access code, and after that you need to verify that you are not a robot, and after that you need to submit it. After submitting, you firstly need to sign in the Qwiklabs platform. If you have an account, then you can easily go through that and sign in this platform, and doesn't have an account, so you need to firstly create an account and also a public profile for getting Google Cloud Ready Facilitator benefits. So firstly you need to create a profile. How to create a profile I already mentioned in my previous video, so you need to go through that if you doesn't know. And after that you go through this lab, a tool of Qwiklabs and Google Cloud which is already open. You just need to tap on that, and here you also need to verify that you are not a robot, and after that your lab is started. Just like you can see here, this is total 45-minute lab and my time is already started. Here there is nothing to do, only you can see here there are some questions and there are some more things, but these questions are not for evaluation or marking purpose. This is just like you can test your knowledge by yourself. So one more trick for correct answer is, if you find any true and false question, then you just put true, because in the majority cases on Qwiklabs the correct answer is true. So here you can see, and now I am going to above. After few minutes,
a few moments later,
here you can see after 5 minutes you need to just tap on end lab. There is nothing to do this, you just stop for 5 minutes after starting this lab, and here I just completed this lab and this lab, and here you can see I got 9 credits. You just see here, this is my public profile. I already created my public profile, and many of you have a problem for getting the credits. Now you can see here I avail my credits. So if you want this type of more videos, just subscribe my channel and like this.